Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app. Of course you have to go through it if you're opening it for the very first time. Alright, we are in the camera, we are on the photo mode, but it does not really matter because all of the options are gathered in the settings. So let's tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see here we have to scroll down a little bit to this general section and tap on the timer. We've got 4 different options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let me pick 10 seconds delay, so just tap on it, it will be immediately applied. After getting back to the camera, we can simply tap on the shutter button and your device will count down from the option you've chosen. After that time it will take a photo. The only the only drawback in this device is that it is notified anywhere here that we've got the timer set, so you can be surprised sometimes if you will forget that you've set the timer. If you want to turn it off, the same situation, nothing easier, just enter the settings, timer off. It is notified here, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.